Hi, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to know your money better. So today I'm going to come to you just with 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. I'm starting this out today, and as you can see, I'm recording from someplace different because, well, it's vacation time. And I wanted to just come to you with a really quick tip, and the tip is do not purchase your cell phone from your cell phone company. Question is, do you really need that new cell phone? Do you? Do you really? Okay, if you do not buy it from your cell phone company. They are going to charge you extra fees, plus they're going to charge you to have insurance through your cell phone company to cover this phone. The best tip for you is to purchase your cell phone from the actual distributor. So, i.e., if it's Samsung phone, you buy it from Samsung. If it's an LG phone, buy it from the LG company. If it's an Apple iPhone, buy it from Apple company. And that way you'll be saving money. They probably have discounts, coupons, all types of extras that they give you when you purchase the phone as opposed to when you purchase it through your cell phone company. So that's my 2-Minute Tip Tuesday for you. Thank you for joining the Financial Spotlight. Please subscribe and also click the notification button if you'd like to get these weekly every Tuesday. Have a good one.